Hi, Jordan Belfort here, also known as the Wolf of Wall Street. And listen, I just found out that it's official. I'm going to Brazil this year in the month of July, and I want you to know how excited I am. I've been traveling the world for about 5 or 6 years now, working with salespeople, entrepreneurs, even regular moms and pops who are looking to live a more empowered life. And I've been able to take these people, whether they're just starting out, whether they're the most seasoned business people out there, and using the straight line system for influence and persuasion and some very powerful business skills that relate to entrepreneurship, to marketing, and also managing your inner game, your belief systems, your values, and all the things that happen up here between your ears before you ever take action. And when you combine those two together, the inner game, what happens up here, with the outer game, meaning your entrepreneurship skills, the ability to influence and persuade, to be a closer, essentially, with the right marketing program, you literally can't help but get rich. So I'm looking forward to being there. It's going to be an amazing couple of days in Brazil in July, so don't miss it. And I will see you soon.